Case name Jayendra, age is 24 years and today date is 1st August 2024 and complain of high pitch voice even after puberty. So Jayendra, I want speech sample before treatment. What problem you are facing?
Hello, my name is Jayendra. I'm from Kanpur. I've had the problem of high pitch voice since I can remember, and it has caused me to, whenever I talk to people on phone, strangers would mostly assume me to be a child or a girl. So that has been a problem ever since. So I'm here to get it corrected with search therapy, and hopefully everything goes well.
Post-therapy video of Jayendra, and today date is 8th August 2024. So Jayendra, what was the problem, why you came here, what was the ENT finding, and how do you feel after this 8 days of voice therapy?
Hi, my name is Jayendra. I came here for the problem of high-pitched voice. The ENT finding was normal, but I still had high-pitched voice, for which I came to sir for treatment. I feel a lot better now. When I speak, I'm able to speak much more clearly. People are able to understand me better.
So what reactions you are getting when you are calling on the phone, especially after this 8 days of voice therapy?
After the 8 days of voice therapy, when I talk to people, they themselves tell me that yes, your voice seems a bit more clear now. They're able to understand me better, and yeah, in general, there's a much more improvement in clarity.
Okay, so what you are doing and from where you came?
I'm originally from Kanpur, UP, and I'm currently pursuing my master's abroad. I came here just to get the treatment from sir, and
so in which subject you are doing your master's?
I'm doing my master's in transportation engineering.
Okay, so thanks for coming and showing faith on us. And can we use your video for awareness purpose across social media pages?
Absolutely.
Okay, thanks for giving the permission. And those who are watching this video, if you are able to see any positive changes, please like this video, share this video, and so that people having similar problem can get hope, motivation, and they can reach to a right place. Thanks for watching.